Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, I want you to imagine something with complete honesty. Imagine it is the final night of 2026. The year is ending, and you are looking back at the past 12 months. But this time, you do not feel disappointed. You do not feel like you wasted another year. Instead, you feel a calm sense of pride. You changed. You grew. You finally took your life seriously. For once, you kept the promises you made to yourself. That version of you is not impossible. It is simply a result of choices. A breakthrough year is not built from luck or random moments. It is built from daily actions, small shifts, and clear rules that guide your mindset and behavior. And today, you are going to learn 15 life rules that can make 2026 the most important year of your life if you genuinely apply them. Make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel to start your new journey. Let us begin. Rule 1. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Many people hold themselves back because they believe they need more clarity, more experience, or more courage before they begin. But growth does not work like that. You create clarity by taking action. The longer you wait, the more fear grows. Start when you feel unsure. Start when you feel nervous. Start when your plan is only halfway ready. Starting is what makes you ready. Rule 2. Value your time like it is gold. Time is the most expensive currency you will ever spend. You only get a limited amount, yet we treat it casually. Hours disappear into scrolling, gossiping, doubting, or replaying past mistakes. In 2026, value your time so much that you protect it from anything pointless. Say no more often. Remove distractions faster. Choose activities that help you grow. When you guard your time, you guard your future. Rule 3. Let discipline become your default setting. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. On the days you feel excited, the work is easy. On the days you feel tired, stressed, or uninspired, discipline carries you. And those disciplined days are the ones that actually shape your life. When you show up consistently, even in small ways, you create a new identity. You stop seeing yourself as someone who tries and start seeing yourself as someone who follows through. Rule 4. Pay yourself first, no matter what. Your financial future is built from what you save, not just from what you earn. When you make saving your first action instead of your last, you create control instead of stress. Even a small amount saved consistently will change your relationship with money. It teaches discipline, patience, and self-respect. Your future self depends on what you put aside today. Rule 5. Protect your mind from constant noise. Your mind is influenced by everything around you. Negative people drain your energy. Toxic content weakens your confidence. Constant comparison destroys your peace. Choose what enters your mind just as carefully as you choose what enters your home. The more you control your mental environment, the stronger, calmer, and more focused you become. Rule 6. Choose growth over comfort again and again. Comfort feels safe, but nothing new happens there. Growth feels uncomfortable, but everything meaningful comes from it. In 2026, challenge yourself intentionally. Learn skills that intimidate you. Try things you avoided before. Say yes to experiences that stretch your limits. The discomfort you feel today becomes the strength you feel tomorrow. Rule 7. Surround yourself with people who expect more from you. Your social circle influences your energy, your habits, and your level of ambition. If you spend time with people who complain, stay stagnant, or avoid responsibility, you absorb those patterns. Spend more time with people who think bigger, dream bigger, and work harder. The right people raise your standards without saying a word. Rule 8. Become useful instead of chasing attention. Everyone wants success, but few ask how they can serve. When you focus on solving problems, improving skills, and creating value, people naturally trust and respect you. Success grows when you become someone who contributes meaningfully. Being useful is far more powerful than being noticed. Rule 9. Keep your dreams private until they grow strong roots. Not everyone will understand your goals, and many people will project their fears onto you. Sometimes the fastest way to kill a dream is to tell it to the wrong person. Protect your vision. Work quietly. Show them through results, not explanations. Your dreams do not need approval. They need commitment. Rule 10. Improve slightly every day instead of chasing big leaps. Huge changes look exciting, but they are difficult to sustain. Small improvements feel boring, but they create lasting transformation. 1% progress each day compounds into something powerful. Read a little. Move your body a little. Save a little. Learn a little. Small steps build big futures. Rule 11. Release the version of you that held you back. Everyone carries old habits, fears, or beliefs that limit them. In 2026, make a conscious decision to let them go. Let go of the excuses you repeated for years. Let go of the people who drain you. Let go of the identity that keeps you small. You cannot walk into your next chapter carrying the weight of your last one. Rule 12. Learn to enjoy your own company. Spending time alone is not loneliness. It is clarity. Solitude helps you understand what you want, what you fear, and what direction feels right. Use alone time to think, plan, and reconnect with yourself. When you enjoy being alone, you stop needing validation and start building confidence from within. Rule 13. Transform your pain into your power. Pain is not a sign of weakness. Pain is a signal that growth is happening. Every heartbreak, betrayal, failure, or disappointment has shaped you into someone stronger. In 2026, use your pain as fuel. Let it teach you, guide you, and sharpen your perspective. Your greatest strength often comes from your most difficult seasons. Rule 14. Take action even when you feel unprepared. Confidence does not appear before you take action. It is a reward you earn after trying. Start the thing you are afraid to start. Apply, begin, learn, explore, take chances. Do not wait to feel brave. Bravery grows through action, not thought. Rule 15. Live as if your future self is watching you. Imagine the highest version of yourself standing beside you. Would they approve of your habits today? Would they be proud of your choices? Live each day in a way that makes your future self grateful. This perspective alone will transform your discipline, your mindset, and your life. 2026 can be your breakthrough year, but only if you choose to act on these rules. A better life is not built in a single moment. It is built through consistent, meaningful choices repeated daily. If you are ready to take your growth seriously and create a year you will remember forever, comment, "I am ready for my breakthrough." Make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. We grow together and learn together.